Good morning, this is 97.7 The Bolt. This morning on the Humboldt County Memorial Hospital Your Care, Our Mission show, I am joined by Abbey. She's a registered nurse at Humboldt County Memorial Hospital, and she is here to talk about outpatient infusion. Good morning, Abbey.
Good morning. Okay, so outpatient infusion is a department that provides injections, infusions, dressing changes for patients who don't need to be hospitalized but may need to come in for different types of IV drugs, injections, like I said, dressing changes. These patients have to have a referral from their doctor. Mm-hmm. The doctor does not have to be here locally in Humboldt. We get orders from doctors in the surrounding areas. So that's one thing to know, is that it doesn't have to be a Humboldt provider. We do lots of different types of infusions, but some of the main ones we do are for osteoporosis. There's about 3 different drugs that we give for that. We give a reclass infusion, which is a yearly IV infusion. It goes right into the vein. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the drug to infuse, so you're there probably a total half hour. Another common drug that we give is Prolia, which is also for osteoporosis, and it's a shot that goes in the back of your arm. Your first time that you come for that might take a little longer. You might be there about a half hour. We explain what the drug is, how it works, give you the shot, and then make sure you're not going to have any kind of reaction. After that, though, you need it every 6 months, and we call you when your 6 months is due and get that scheduled. And the third osteoporosis drug that we give occasionally is Bonevia, and that's also an IV drug that goes into your vein. It's just a quick IV push drug, so it goes in within 5 minutes. That, though, you need every 3 months, so you have to come for that one a little more frequently. Some of these drugs require that you have lab work prior to that. Your doctor will order all of that and then get us the order, and then we'll go from there. So then we'll get you set up and have you come in. But most of them are pretty quick, and there's really not a lot of, side effects that anybody has with those. So if you're needing osteoporosis drugs, we can do those.
All right, awesome. That is Abbey from the Humboldt County Memorial Hospital. We're going to take a quick break here at 97.7 The Bolt, and we will be back with her to talk more about outpatient infusion at the Humboldt County Memorial Hospital here on the Your Care, Our Mission show on 97.7.
October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The Humboldt County Memorial Hospital Radiology Department would like to take this opportunity to remind you they offer digital mammograms right here in Humboldt, close to home. Call today and schedule an appointment at 332-4200. That's 332-4200. The Humboldt County Memorial Hospital Radiology staff strives to make the experience as pleasant as possible with technicians who are concerned about your feelings. A hospital is just a building. It's the people inside that really make the difference. That's what sets Humboldt County Memorial Hospital apart from the others, and the radiology department takes special pride in offering a service that saves lives. During October Breast Cancer Awareness Month, schedule an appointment that's convenient for you at 332-4200. Humboldt County Memorial Hospital, going the distance to make a difference.
Good morning, this is 97.7 The Bolt, and this morning on the Humboldt County Memorial Hospital Your Care, Our Mission show, I am joined by Abbey. She is a registered nurse at the hospital, and she talked a little bit about outpatient infusion, and now we're going to get a little bit more in depth and talk a little bit about some other infusions that they do.
Okay, so we talked about the osteoporosis drugs. Other common drugs that we stay busy with are IV antibiotics. So if you need antibiotics for an extended length of time that you don't need to be hospitalized for, but you still need them, you can come every day and we do those, or as prescribed by your doctor. Some people come for up to 6 weeks getting IV antibiotics. Other drugs that we do are iron infusions. We give some immunosuppressant drugs that help build your immune system if you have immune disorders or autoimmune disorders. So we also do wound dressing changes. So if you have a wound that needs frequent dressing changes that you're not able to do at home, we can do those there. Again, all this has to have a doctor's order. You have to be referred by the doctor. So if your doctor's talking about something, that requires coming to the hospital for an IV or a shot, ask them if you can get it done at Humboldt. We can probably do it. There's a little bit of a process to make sure we can get the drug and we're available, but most of the time we can, so it's worth checking.
Yeah, definitely if you can keep your care local, that is the main mission of the Humboldt County Memorial Hospital. Anything else that you would like to mention, Abby?
I can't really think of anything else.
All right, we covered everything then. Again, that is Abby, a registered nurse at Humboldt County Memorial Hospital, here on the Your Care, Our Mission show on 97.7 The Bolt.